How to remove rotoscope filter on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So like I said in this video, I'll show you how to remove this filter. So first of all, we have to go on our TikTok app, of course. Make sure that you are logged in. And after that, you have to click on the search bar from the bottom of the screen and search for rotoscope, just like this. Click on the first option. And then from here, as you can see, you will find many videos with people using this filter. But we will have to click on the rotoscope effect from the top. Click there and then click on try this effect. And after that, you will have to record a few seconds. Click on the camera. After a few seconds, you can click on the check mark from the right. And then discard this, go back. Then click to Effects from the left bottom corner. And after that, you can go to New or to Trending and choose another filter. So this is how you remove the rotoscope effect on TikTok. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.